Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kimara, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we will be demoing and reviewing the Bodum Brazil French press coffee maker. Please keep in mind that while I was using this French press for the first time, I solely relied on the instructions included in the packaging. So I think that may have been a mistake. I wish I would have looked up some instructions, but excuse me for thinking that the instructions that come with the packaging would be sufficient. So the first step is to place the French press on a flat surface, hold the handle firmly, and pull the plunger up and out of the carafe. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. Y'all correct me in the comments. The next step is to add 1 rounded teaspoon or 1 Bodum scoop of coarsely ground coffee for each cup / 4 ounces of water. I did not know this prior to purchasing, so I had to use what I had, which was Folgers Classic Roast. I definitely think that the finished product would have been better had I actually had the correct type of coffee. I then had to pour hot water into the carafe, leaving a minimum of 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch. And you would think this like little carafe had measurements on it, but it does not. So maybe they should add that. I feel like it would make it easier. And then you just leave it for 4 minutes and leave it with the plunger to the top so that you can trap in the heat. I did not know that that was to trap in the heat, so you can see me kind of like moving it up and down, up and down. It's because, yeah, I didn't know what I was doing. The instruction manuals was like just mostly pictures. It wasn't that easy to understand. So after letting it sit for 4 minutes, you'll want to turn the lid to open the pour spout and pour your delicious cup of joe according to them. It was watery to me, I'm not gonna lie. I do not feel like the coffee was very strong. I think I may have added too much water because it was pretty watery. But if you look at the little pictures on the box, it seems like there's a lot of water. So what is the truth? But I'll have to try it with coarse grounds and less water to see if I get a better result because I like stronger coffee. So in this part, you're seeing me try a different technique that I saw in the instruction manual. I honestly think that the coffee had a lot more grounds this way. Essentially, from what I got from the directions was that you were supposed to lock the top on before you put the grounds in the water. But I don't know, I had to be wrong because this was awful. Like there were so many grounds in it. I actually use a clear cup to pour it, so you'll kind of see what it looks like. And shout out to Bodum for the cup. I didn't even notice until I was editing that the cup is also Bodum, so I don't know if that's like a Target exclusive or what's going on. In total, I think this French press was anywhere from $25 to $35. I can't quite remember. Either way, I'm definitely gonna force myself to use it. It may be good for like making iced coffee. That's what I was thinking. Like maybe putting it in the refrigerator and having it for the next day or something. But I need to perfect the technique and get the right type of grounds first. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe, and I will definitely see you guys next week. Bye.